This is Nicaragua, aka Nicodemus, aka Chief of the Broadleafs. We're here with BOTL 2013. I got Saka Khan, aka the man with the plan.
The guy that actually works, man.
Oh, you were?
You're fucking
I thought I
singing
was
like a
that
bird,
guy.
man.
Yeah, we got to do a little something for the people.
Hey, this is our new pre-industry
Look at
tobacco
this.
bodega that we're building here in Esteli, Nicaragua. You know, it's something that you know, I figure if we can't make more cigars, we can at least build 747s in here. It's going to really take Drew Estate to the next level. It's going to dramatically increase our ability to process and ferment leaf and help us grow our brands and expand all of our lines. It's going to be the most modern, largest tobacco facility in the world today.
Viva Nicaragua!